I think a key element of any leader's role is to talk to their team about performance, growth, what their aspirations are. So we were looking to give our team a consistent approach to how they can approach career development. We partnered with Hannah to put in a process where we can really focus on consistency across the team and give them the tools and resources across the board so they know how they can grow within the organization.
My name's Hannah Brown, and I've been working in learning and development and with leaders for over 20 years. So my program's Lead with Learning, and it's really about building a team culture of sustainable results, recognizing that learning and development happens boots on the ground in a team environment as opposed to going and taking a formal training course. For learning to happen at that team level, we need to really look to the leaders and make sure that they are equipped and have clear expectations and are able to support their team's growth and development. So the Lead with Learning workshop starts with a diagnostic. So leaders complete an online self-assessment that has questions about their mindset and their team culture and what the organization context is that they're leading and working in. So they complete that assessment. When they come, it's about a 2-hour workshop. We pull out that report and we look at it and what the insights it provides into their own leadership approach, both their strengths and areas where they maybe need to develop.
Two of the takeaways are definitely building a team culture that focuses on the leader being a coach. The second takeaway I would say is fostering a learning mindset. So actually giving your team the time and space to be able to learn.
Gave me some insights about how I prioritize my time when it comes to learning.
And really it forced us to look within, which I thought was really strong, both from an individual perspective, but also as a group.
So I think the session today was really great because it had us reflect on what the accountability of the employee is in this process, but us as leaders, how can we help facilitate that as well? But then also giving our team a clear path on how they can actually achieve that as well, so they feel that growth and they feel those opportunities.